Aba, giraw ka pa rin pa? Wave. Ay,
Low tide. Low tide. Actually, maapit dito yan.
Say something about Coronado, kid.
Coronado Island in San Diego. Where all the Navy SEAL train.
Yeah, this is where we train.
So, they have a Navy SEAL.
The Navy SEALs.